Hi there, I'm Victoria Lorient-Fabish. I'm a relationship expert, a registered psychotherapist, and I've been in private practice for over 20 years. I have a great website called visualizationworks.com and a YouTube channel called Ask Victoria. I am so delighted that today we are doing a breakthrough online program called Long-Term Passionate Marriage. And it is possible.
It is.
This is my beautiful friend, Mr.
Michael Ballard.
And you come from?
Resiliency for Life. And so we want to talk about how listening can help us build a sexy, hot, long-term relationship.
And tell me something, Michael, in long-term relationships, how do they contribute to resiliency?
Well, it's about how we've just chosen to define ourselves in the relationship. For self, as a couple,
Yeah.
and how we allow others to see us as.
And also, I would say that in this online program, long-term passionate marriage is going to be sort of a key cornerstone piece in how it contributes to generation upon generation upon generation, which I believe is what creates the resiliency as well.
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely. And, you know, I know that long-term marriage, I've been in one for 25 years. It's not easy. It's hard to keep it sexy and not be bored and not be impulsive and sort of want to leave, but it is possible. And when I do couples work, which I do very often in the office, we really look at healing resentments, looking at multi-generational patterns of behavior. And the topics we're going to cover, I'll take a couple, you take a couple. We're going to talk about this wonderful researcher called John Gottman and this love lab that he put together in the 70s. And I talk about it in a book that I've written called Connecting, Rewire Your Relationship Culture. But he is the guy that we really need to listen to. And we're talking about sexuality and how to fix the problems quickly. And why don't you take a couple?
Well, how to be a cheerleader of self and each other. Because if we're
Absolutely.
not, we're getting in the way.
And also let's not forget that good sex often is really important. You know, sex is a use it or lose it prospect, and the neural pathways need to be constantly, you know, worked on so that we keep that alive. And people forget that.
Yes, and then we've got to talk about jealousy. It's
Oh.
too easy to be jealous because if your partner's got a gift in one area and gets a lot of attention because of it and you don't, are you excited for them and proud of them, or are you envious that they get this time and attention from others?
And usually jealousy is a lot about people not self-caring and insecurity within themselves. So we're definitely going to speak about that. Also, we're going to talk about communication, how to fight fairly, and the really important last one, which is right here, right now.
Staying in the moment.
Right here, right now. This is where the richness of life is. It's not in the past regretting. It's not in the future.
It's now, right now.
So right now, I want you to sign up for this amazing online program. Talk to you soon.
Later.